stop scrolling. Because if you're a creator in 2026 and you're not using these AI tools, yet you are already behind. Right now, thousands of YouTubers, TikTok creators, Instagram influencers, and even small business owners are quietly replacing entire teams with a few smart AI tools. The gap between creators who use AI and those who don't is getting wider every single week. In today's video, I'm revealing the top 7 AI tools every creator is rushing to use right now, why they're trending, how they actually work, and how you can use them before your competition does. And before we dive in, if you love content about AI, online income, and smart creator strategies, make sure you like this video and subscribe to AI Side Hustle. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me you want more deep trend reports like this. Now, let's get into it. If you've noticed something lately, it's this. Creators are moving faster than ever. Videos are getting better. Thumbnails are sharper. Scripts are tighter. Editing is smoother. And the scary part, a lot of it isn't being done manually anymore. Behind the scenes, AI is doing the heavy lifting. The creators winning right now are not necessarily the most talented. They're the ones who know how to use the right tools. The first tool that creators are rushing to use is ChatGPT. And yes, I know you've heard the name before, but what most people don't understand is how deeply creators are integrating it into their entire workflow. This isn't just about asking for random captions anymore. Smart creators are using ChatGPT to generate viral video hooks, rewrite weak scripts into high-retention storytelling formats, create 30-day content calendars in minutes, build digital product outlines, and even respond to comments in their brand voice. The reason this tool is trending again is because creators have finally learned how to prompt properly. Instead of asking simple questions, they're giving it context, like act as a YouTube retention expert or write this script in a storytelling style for a female American audience. That's when the quality changes completely. It becomes less robotic and more strategic. On AI Side Hustle, I always say this: the tool is powerful, but the user makes it profitable. If you know how to direct it, it becomes your silent content assistant working 24/7. Now, let's talk about the second tool creators are obsessing over: Midjourney. Thumbnails are everything. If your thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll, your video doesn't get clicked. Midjourney allows creators to generate hyper-realistic, cinematic images that look like they were shot in a professional studio. You can create dramatic lighting, futuristic backgrounds, or completely imaginary scenes that would cost thousands to produce in real life. What makes this tool explode in popularity is the control. Instead of searching stock photo websites and hoping something fits, creators are designing exactly what they need. Want a shocked entrepreneur in neon blue lighting with holographic graphs floating around? You can generate it. Want a dramatic close-up of a creator staring at a laptop with green profit arrows exploding upward? Doni. The speed at which you can test different thumbnail concepts is game-changing for click-through rate optimization. And here is the strategy most beginners miss. Top creators aren't generating just one thumbnail. They're creating 5, 10, sometimes 20 variations and testing them. AI makes experimentation cheap and fast. That's why channels are scaling faster than ever. The third tool trending heavily is Runway. Video editing used to be the biggest bottleneck. Hours of cutting, masking, removing backgrounds. Now, Runway allows creators to remove backgrounds without green screens, generate B-roll from text prompts, expand video frames, and even erase objects from clips like magic for faceless channels especially. This is powerful. You can turn a simple script into visually engaging content without hiring a production team. Creators are also using Runway to repurpose content. A long YouTube video can be transformed into short-form clips with AI-assisted edits, auto captions, and dynamic This multiplies reach without multiplying effort. That's why smart creators are no longer creating more content. They're creating once and distributing everywhere. Now let's move to the fourth tool, ElevenLabs. Voice is everything. A boring voice kills retention. ElevenLabs allows creators to generate ultra-realistic AI voices that sound emotional, clear, and human. This is huge for automation channels. Instead of recording with low-quality microphones, creators can generate consistent, studio-level narration in minutes. But here's the deeper trend. Even on-camera creators are using AI voices for secondary content, like turning blog posts into podcast-style videos or creating multilingual versions of their content to reach global audiences. Imagine publishing the same video in English, Spanish, and Hindi without recording 3 times. That's leverage. The fifth tool is Notion AI. Organization might not sound exciting, but this is where real growth happens. As a creator, ideas are everywhere. Scripts, sponsorship, notes, affiliate links. Notion AI helps creators turn messy notes into structured plans. It can summarize long research documents, generate outlines, track performance metrics, and even brainstorm video angles. The reason this tool is trending is because burnout is real. Creators who don't systemize eventually quit. Those who build AI-powered systems scale sustainably. When your workflow is organized, your creativity increases. And when creativity increases, consistency follows. The sixth tool gaining massive traction is Descript. This tool is changing how editing works. Instead of editing video through complicated timelines, you edit by editing text. You upload your video, it transcribes everything, and then you just delete words in the transcript to cut the video. It also removes filler words like and automatically. For creators who fear editing, this removes the barrier completely. It also allows you to clone your voice for minor corrections. Messed up one sentence? No need to re-record. Just type the correction. Efficiency like this increases upload frequency, and upload frequency increases growth. Now, the seventh tool creators are sprinting toward is Canva. Canva is no longer just for simple designs. With AI features, creators can generate presentations, social posts, thumbnails, and short-form video graphics instantly. The magic design and text image tools inside Canva are allowing non-designers to produce professional-level visuals without hiring anyone. What's interesting is how these tools work together. ChatGPT writes the script. ElevenLabs generates the voice. Runway creates visuals. Descript edits it. Midjourney designs the thumbnail. Canva handles social promotion. This is not 7 separate tools. This is an AI content ecosystem. Now let's zoom out. Why are creators rushing right now? Because the algorithm rewards speed and consistency. Platforms push creators who post consistently and test formats quickly. AI shortens the time between idea and upload. That speed compounds. There's also a psychological shift happening. Viewers don't care if AI helped you. They care about value and entertainment. If the content is engaging, the tool used doesn't matter, but tools alone don't create success. Strategy though is, the creators winning right now are combining AI with storytelling. They focus heavily on hooks, pattern interrupts, and emotional pacing. For example, instead of just listing tools, they create curiosity, like the 5th tool on this list is quietly replacing entire editing teams. That curiosity keeps viewers watching. Retention is everything. An AI can actually help improve retention if used correctly. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze why viewers drop off, test different hooks, and refine your storytelling flow. Let me share a simple framework many fast-growing channels are using. Step 1. Identify a trending topic. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 title angles. Step 3. Create 3 script variations. Step 4. Use AI image tools to design multiple thumbnail concepts. Step 5. Publish and analyze. Step 6. Double down on what works. This cycle used to take weeks. Now it can take days. Another powerful trend is faceless AI channels. These channels combine stock footage, AI voiceovers, and AI-generated visuals to create content. Some are scaling to 6 figures without ever showing a face. But even on-camera creators are benefiting because AI handles the technical friction, allowing them to focus on personality. And personality still matters. AI enhances creativity, but it doesn't replace your perspective. The most successful creators inject personal stories and opinions. AI handles structure. You handle authenticity. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't be. You don't need all 7 tools at once. Start with one. Master it. Integrate it into your workflow. Then add another. Think of AI as a set of power-ups in a game. Each one increases your capacity. Also, let's talk about monetization. These tools help you earn. Faster content production means more videos, more ad revenue, more affiliate placements. AI also helps you create digital products like ebooks and courses much faster. Imagine writing a 50-page guide in days instead of months. That speed changes in now. There is one mistake I see beginners making. They copy AI output exactly as it is. That's dangerous, because if everyone uses the same prompts, content becomes repetitive. The key is customization. Always edit, always inject your voice. Always tweak examples to match your niche. Another major trend is multilingual expansion. Creators are cloning their channels in other languages, using AI voice tools, tripling their audience reach without tripling their effort. Here's a mindset shift I want you to adopt. AI is not cheating. It's leverage. Every technological shift in history created new winners. The creators who adapt early captured the biggest advantages. Right now, we are in that early window. Think about how you can integrate these tools into your specific niche. The opportunity is not just using AI, it is teaching, reviewing AI tools, or even documenting your journey of learning them. As we move toward the end, here's what I want you to do. Pick one tool from this list today. Just one. Open it, test it, create something small. A script, a thumbnail, a short clip. Action builds clarity. If you found value in this breakdown, comment below which AI tool you're most excited to try and why. I read the comments, and your input helps shape future videos on AI side hustle. Also share this video with a creative friend who still thinks AI is just hype. The faster you move, the bigger your edge. We're entering a new era of content creation. The creators who combine creativity with AI leverage are building audiences faster, earning smarter, and working less. And this is only the beginning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting AI Side Hustle, and I'll see you in the next one.